Hey, Georgie's Dinosaur Adventure. This is really, really cute. See Robin and Eden there, they're whizzing around. We're gonna get a good view on them now, actually. Hi! Oh, this is so cute. It's quite long as well, actually, for one of these. They're normally quite short. Oh, bouncing around on Georgie's Dinosaur. Robin and Eden, they're loving it. Hi! Oh, and here's all the characters from the show as well. That's Grandpa Pig there, I think. Oh. They always have loads of hills in Peppa Pig, I don't really know why. These topiaries have got all over the place, they're absolutely amazing. Little scarecrows there. It's really cute. Such a cute little ride. We didn't come on this last time, it was too busy. And I'm sure Eden's pleased that we've been on it now. As we always say, we're not coaster enthusiasts, we're theme park enthusiasts, and we just enjoy coming to these places and getting on these rides. And even ones like this, it's just so nice to be able to enjoy them and see all these pumpkins and see how they have done an absolutely incredible job of decking everything out for Halloween. I mean, look at these, there's pumpkins at every interval around here. It really is, this is the best time to come into Peppa Pig now. It's been on 15-20 minute queues all day, which isn't particularly long, granted, but when the rest of the park's been on 0 minutes. And now Peppa Pig's gone on to 0 minutes everywhere, so we've walked on these last two rides. Oh, see, there's a volcano there bubbling away as well. Really is good. It's so much fun. I'm getting filmed as we come down. Oh. Robin's trying to make more TikTok viral sensations, and that's the end of the ride.